Goldson is a fantastic speaker.
Is an amazing speaker. He imparts knowledge very, very beautifully to everybody with humor and with insight, and makes the whole lecture not only fun, but also something that we could remember for a long, long time.
I'm here to talk to you about Rabbi Goldson. He's unbelievably charming. He's witty. His style is like no one I've ever heard before. He has a way of looking at the mundane and bringing things to life, just everyday things. He's got a tremendous grasp of the English language. It's a very pleasing style. He's unbelievably funny, enjoyable to be with.
What I found was great was that I really felt I could connect to what Rabbi Goldson was speaking about. I felt I could put it into practice. It wasn't something I would just walk away from not remembering. I felt it was something that will affect me.
And you remember it. You remember it because it's different. It's different, it's intriguing, and it's very, very interesting.
He has a tremendous wealth of knowledge, but at the same time he has a wit and a lifetime of unique experiences that he brings to the table, and that gives him an excitement and an energy and an ability to be able to connect with anyone in his audience.
And not only that, you think about it now, but you think about it a week from now. It's kind of stuck in your head. They're like gems that you can't miss. And you can't miss this because he's that important. He'll change your life.